This is Little Bunny Sana, but this is not Little Bunny's Workshop, my channel. This is my father's YouTube channel, StreamPod. So my father let me unbox this new ATEM Mini Pro, a video recording device and a switching device. So now let's get started. A little help, please. ATEM Mini Pro, here we come. Woo! A new ATEM Mini Pro. Look what a lovely caddy this ATEM Mini Pro is. I don't know much about this technical ATEM Mini Pro, but I'm learning from my dad. And don't forget to look at his website www.streampod.in. Let's open this magical box. It's opening. Look at this black magic box. Let's take these out. And look, there's some nice food. This is a wire and a dial. And this thing that we put our phones for. And I have no idea what these are. But what's it? The roses thing. Oh. The ATEM Mini Pro, look. Look at all these lovely buttons that this ATEM Mini Pro has. And look, there are lots of other things that comes with this ATEM Mini Pro. There are so many booklets. I don't know why they are wasting paper because it's not good. I prefer that they don't put these printouts and don't print out so much in the boxes. And I prefer Blackmagic, who made these ATEM Mini Pros. I'm lining up everything so that you can see them. And that's a Blackmagic part, it's important. Look, there are lots of things. These little things I don't know. Wires with the dial and the thing and booklets and the ATEM Mini Pro. The most important thing. So make sure you buy this if you want to make videos or at the same time switch. This is just a short video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like, you can let your kids watch my YouTube channel, Little Bunny's Workshop. Okay? And don't forget to like and subscribe StreamPod.in and Go Web Technology and Little Bunny's Workshop. Bye!